Take biscuits, any kind. Mash the biscuits. Make sure there are no lumps. Take any kind of oil. Flatten it out with a bowl. Add milk and a little vinegar to it. Mix a little and close the flame till the milk has been separated from the vinegar. It should look like this when it's done. It is a little less, so I'm going to add milk. And I'm going to add a little bit of vinegar so that the milk can get curdled. Next, I'm going to strain the curdled milk so that the vinegar can get separated. Next, we're going to add cream to the curdled milk. Add that much cream so the consistency should be flowy and smooth. Next, I'm going to add 2 spoons of sugar in the curdled milk. Whisk the curdled milk until it's smooth and flowy. You can also use the machine, and you can add the cream according to how much fluency you want in the curdled milk, sugar and cream. Pour the milky substance onto the biscuit platform we just made. Pour it nicely and slowly. Now as you can see, there are two layers, the biscuit layer and the cream layer, so that's good. And now we're going to add the third and final layer. In the bowl, we're going to add any type of chocolate. I'm using Choco Bliss. You can use Nutella, or you can even melt a milk. You can even melt a chocolate bar. I'm going to use exact 3 tablespoons of the chocolate, and then we're going to melt it and add a little bit of cream to it, so that it doesn't become hardened after we freeze it. We're going to melt it for exact 30 seconds. I'm using the 10-second time lapse so I can easily figure out how much liquid condensity I want on my chocolate. So after every 10 seconds, I'm going to look and see. Next, we're going to slowly and maturely add chocolate onto the creamy layer. You don't want to spread it with the spoon, as the cream will get wiped along with it. After a long procedure, we finally made the cheesecake, and it turned out so pretty and it looks such as crazy. Now we're going to freeze it for at least 1 hour, and I'm going to see you back. So let's see how it turned out to be. Wait, 3, 2, 1. Let's open it. And oh my god, it looks so amazing and looks so delicious. But the only problem turned out to be I removed it from the freezer for at least before 30 minutes. So it only took 30 minutes of time for it. Now let's see how it turned out to be, and I'm so excited for it. And oh my god, so creamy, so yummy. Definitely try it. Now all you need to do is like, subscribe, and press the bell icon button down below. So see you next time. Bye bye.